Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming my favorite video to film. We're going to be doing a huge Ulta and Sephora haul. Like, this is my Ulta bag. It's massive, and then I got some stuff from Sephora as well. If you guys are wondering why I'm doing two giant hauls back to back, it's just because I'm going to be doing a trying new makeup, and I wanted to include some of the stuff that I'm going to show you today along with the other stuff that I hauled last week. So if you haven't seen that haul, I will have it in the cards and also in the description. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, let's go ahead and jump in. So starting with what I got from Sephora, I only got one thing, but some of the stuff that I got from Ulta you could also get at Sephora, so it's okay that I only got one thing. But I picked up the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. I'm so excited. I didn't know if I wanted this or not just because I do have the Sunset palette and it is kind of similar, but let me know if you guys want me to do like a comparison video or just a review over this palette alone and include swatches and all that, because I know it will be a little bit late because there are so many videos on it already. So this is what she looks like right here. She has this beautiful red packaging, and this is what the inside looks like. So the reason why I ended up going and buying it and caving in is just because of the pretty like purpley pink shades. I just feel like they're really unique and really beautiful. I love wearing those kind of colors with my hair. And then as for like the warmer colors, obviously I have some of those already, so I'm gonna be trying it out and seeing if it's worth it. It does come with a mirror, and so I'm really excited about that. And I love that she changed the size to a smaller size just because I'm honestly not going to go through the bigger palettes anyway, and if I could save some money and only get it for $65, I love that. And so yeah, I cannot wait to try this baby out. So moving on to what I got from Ulta. Now some of this stuff is gratis and some of it I bought on my own, and I'll let you guys know which is which. So this one I got as gratis, and I believe it's like a tote bag. Let me go ahead and get it out of here because it's going to be loud. Oh, there's something in here. Oh my gosh, I didn't know it came with product. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so it's this bag right here. And what brand is this? It's the Ulta Beauty brand. It says On the Island Time. Yeah, I think that's what it says. I suck at reading cursive. But this is what it looks like right here. It's just a big tote bag. And I could definitely use this when I go to Hawaii, so that's nice. And then it came with this stuff inside, so let's see what's in here. It's a nice surprise. Oh, how cute. So in here you get the Ulta Beauty bronzer and then also a plumping lip gloss, and it's in this really pretty kind of corally packaging. That's so cool. I thought there was like nothing in the bag. I thought it was just a bag. So let me go ahead and look at these products and see what they look like. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. It looks like a good shade. Ooh. It smells good. It kind of smells like coconut. Are they trying to be like Physicians Formula? It literally smells like the Physicians Formula bronzer, and it kind of looks like the same color. So that is what it looks like. And then I went ahead and pulled out my Physicians Formula just to show you the difference. The Physicians Formula does look a little bit darker, but they are very similar. Let me go ahead and swatch it. It smells so good. It's on the lighter side for sure, so I'll have to use this when I have like no tan on my skin whatsoever. Yeah, it's not even gonna show up. It's like a face powder on me right now because it's so light. So this looks like a really pretty color. This is the Ulta Beauty Lip Plumping Transformation Top Coat in the color Ethereal. So that is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch it. It has one of those like brush applicators. Ooh, that's really nice. And these are supposed to be plumping too, so I'll definitely try these out. And so that is what the swatch looks like. It looks pretty. It doesn't feel too thick on the skin, so I'm excited to try it out. And it's a really pretty color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to show you all the gratis, and then I'll show you what I bought myself at the end just to keep it kind of organized. And so I got this from Lancome, and it's a sunscreen with SPF 50, but it's also supposed to be a primer, moisturizer, and sunscreen kind of all in one. And so I thought that was really interesting. I'm really excited to try this just because I've been running out of my Murad sunscreen, and I've been trying to kind of try new different sunscreens to see what I like. And so this is what it looks like right here. It's just kind of in a standard primer packaging, super cute, and it's 1 fluid ounce. I also got kind of another primer product. This is the Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer from First Aid Beauty. And so I'm really excited about this because I did fill the tester in the store and it felt so hydrating, and it kind of reminded me of my Smashbox Primerizer, which I love that primer. It's one of my favorites. And this one felt just a little bit more moisturizing, so I'm really excited about this. So this is what this one looks like right here. It's a little bit bigger than the Lancome one. This one has 1.7 ounces. And so I have this little goodie basket where I have all my brand new products that I haven't used on camera yet. And I'm just placing everything that I'm going to be using in my trying new makeup video in here. I'm so excited, so be on the lookout for that. I just kind of want to haul everything first, like I said in the beginning, and then try it all on my face. And so the next thing I got was from Stila. This is one of their new glosses, and it's in the color Golden Parachute, I think is how you say the name. But these are super duper pretty. I love the packaging. I've tried one of the testers on, and I did like the formula. And so this is what the color that I got looks like. It kind of looks like a pale peachy nude shade. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. And it just has some very, very fine glitter in there. Like you could barely tell there's any in there, maybe just to add a little bit of reflection. And so that is what the swatch looks like right there. Hopefully you guys can see it on camera, because like I said, it doesn't have much color to it. And I love how the packaging's super weighted. It just makes it feel a little bit more luxurious. Okay, and the next product I got is actually a skincare product. This is from the brand StriVectin, and it's the Multi-Action Blue Rescue Clay Renewal Mask. And it says that it's with blue algae, white clay, and probiotics. Let's go ahead and open it and see what she looks like. It smells like bubble gum. And it has like little granules in there for, I guess, exfoliating. But yes, this is what she looks like. Really, really interesting. I cannot wait to try that out. I'm so sorry if you guys could hear like munching. My cat is eating over there, so hopefully you guys can't hear it. Oh, ooh, we got another mask. This one's from Boscia, and this is the Matcha Super Antioxidant Mask. So it's supposed to, I read about this one. It has matcha in it, so it helps with like redness, inflammation, all that jazz, which I am excited about just because I pick at my skin and I feel like it gets really irritated super duper fast. And I know you're not supposed to pick at it, but like I try not to. It's just some addiction that I have. Oh, it comes with a little scooper. That is so nice. So this is what it looks like. It has that green matcha color. This is what it looks like right here. It looks pretty thick. I'm so excited. I got some new masks to try out. And I love Boscia products, so usually I do like their products. Oh my gosh, okay, this is super random, but we got like this scrunchie thing from Clarins, the brand. Let me go ahead and open it to see what it looks like. Ooh, it's a big scrunchie. It's very bouncy, and I love the color. I love this. It's really nice. I'm probably gonna get makeup all over it, so I need to move this. And the next product I got, I'm actually wearing today because I really wanted to try it out because it looks super pretty, but this is from the new Smashbox Chystalized collection, and it's one of their liquid eyeshadow colors, and I got the color, ooh, I do not know how to say that. Let me just show you. So that is the name. I'm so sorry, I just cannot pronounce that. But this is from the collaboration that they did with the Hood Witch on Instagram. Let me go ahead and show you the packaging. It's so pretty. This is what it looks like. It actually looks like it's a lip gloss or something like that, but it's actually a liquid eyeshadow, and this color was just so gorgeous. I had to use it today. I'll go ahead and swatch it, but unfortunately I am a little bit disappointed in the formula. I'm just so used to the like Stila ones, the glitter eyeshadows. And I don't know, I just feel like this formula is really weird. It separates on my eyes. I'll show you in a second, like I'll do a close-up, but it just separates and it's kind of patchy and it just doesn't dry all the way, I feel like, and so it creases a lot. It's just not a good formula, but that is what the color looks like, and it's just so pretty. I wish it worked out for me. I tried using my fingers and like smudging it out like that, but it just ended up leaving patches on my skin. But I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but like on my eyelid, there's some bald spots of where the eyeshadow like didn't stick. So unfortunately, it was just a fail for me. Like I didn't like it. And so that is just very, very unfortunate because the packaging is so beautiful. So you think it's gonna be a beautiful product and then it disappoints you. So moving on, I got this lime crime product, and then this is the Bubblegum Rose Unicorn Hair like dye. I think it's the dye. It doesn't really say. Yeah, it does. Semi-permanent hair color. And so I got the pink shade because obviously my hair is like a pinky red, and I love to add pink in it because the pink does fade out really fast. And so I'm so excited about this. I'll probably just like add it to my shampoo or something. And so, oh my gosh, we got another liquid eyeshadow. So this one is from Stila, and this is the Shimmer and Glow. Instead of the Glitter and Glow, it's the Shimmer one. if that makes any sense. But I got the color Starlight, which looks like it's on that like goldy light shade kind of spectrum. That was a weird way of describing it. Oh, mine is like really separated. What the heck? Look at that. It's like really separated inside the tube. That is so weird. So I think it just needed to be shooken up. But let me go ahead and swatch it to see what she looks like. Okay, so it's just a really, really light gold shade. That is what it looks like right there next to the other one. And with these, I do like to rub out with my finger too. So it just adds like a really pretty sheen to the eye, since it doesn't have that much color to it, but it's just a very sheer kind of gold shade. So the next product I got is from Cover FX. This is their translucent powder in the shade Light, and I cannot wait to try this because I just ran out of my Huda Beauty loose setting powder, so I was looking for another one, and I wanted one without talc, and I believe this doesn't have it. It does have mica in there, but it's talc-free. Yeah, it's talc-free. I'm so excited. I really wanted to find a talc-free one, so hopefully this is good. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have used this and what you guys think of it, but this is what it looks like right here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try it. And I literally just ran out of my other one too. Oh, so it has one of those like sifter things, kind of like the Too Faced ones come. How do you open it? Oh my gosh, hopefully I don't break it. Oh, okay, yeah. So it just has like one of those sifters that pops up and down so you don't like get product everywhere. Ooh, I can't wait to try it. And so yeah, this powder has how much in it? It has 10 grams, so pretty basic and standard. And last but not least, for my gratis, I just have like a lot of mini products. And so we got the mini of the Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer. I have tried this, but really back in the day, and I do believe that I liked it, and I love these things to keep for travel. I also got the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, just a mini size of that, which is also really good for travel because I have tried that and I really like it. Next up, we got something from Clinique Fit, and this is the Workout Mascara, which I have not tried. And then last but not least, we got the Clinique High Impact Mascara, which I also haven't tried. And then the rest of the stuff is all the stuff that I bought myself. And so I bought one of the new Kylighters that we got in Ulta. These aren't new to the market, but they are new to the Ulta stores. So they're going to be selling these in store now. And I picked this color up without swatching it or anything, just because we hadn't had testers out yet. And so this is one of her Kylighters, and it's in the shade Ice Me Out, which I actually already swatched on my hand just because I could not wait to see what it looked like. But yeah, we got these in store, also blushes and bronzers and some new glosses, which is really exciting. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. It's on the smaller side, but it's super cute, and I love the pink. And this is what the actual product looks like, super pretty. Hopefully this will not be too light of a shade for me, but it does come with a mirror. And so like I said, I already did swatch it, and that is what it looks like right here. It has a really high reflection, super pretty. But I'm just hoping that it's not too light of a color and it doesn't look like a white strip on my skin, but hopefully it's that good formula to where it just like melts in and creates that beautiful reflect. And so yeah, I will definitely be trying this in my trying new makeup video. And last but not least, I picked up some boring repurchases. So I picked up my It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. This truly is a miracle. I love this stuff. I cannot go without it. Whenever I try to brush my hair outside of the shower without this, it's literally impossible. And then I just end up getting really frustrated and putting my hair up. And I know that because I ran out of it this week, and that's exactly what I did. But I'm so happy to have it back. It just makes your hair super duper soft. It gets rid of all the tangles. It's a heat protectant. It does 10 things, obviously. And I love this. I always buy the biggest size. It's like $40 just because, like I said, I use it every time I shower, so I need the big daddy. Plus, I don't want to run out. Even when I have a little bit left, I always add water to it so I can make it last, because this stuff is amazing. And then I also picked up my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. You guys probably have seen this everywhere. It's just a staple to have in my makeup collection, so I always repurchase. I have a little bit left, so I decided to go ahead and just get a backup for whenever I finish it. But I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. Everybody pretty much has it in their collection. And last but not least, I went ahead and repurchased my Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. If you guys haven't seen this, it's literally just a solid soap that you could use on your sponges and also your brushes. I love it for both. I just wish that we had the bigger one at Ulta so I could purchase the bigger size, just because I feel like I go through this really fast. And so yeah guys, that was everything that I got for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I can know to keep doing hauls. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you are, especially if you like hauls, because I do one on my channel every single week. And I'm also going to be doing that trying new makeup video that I'm talking about a lot in this video, just because I cannot wait to try this stuff. And so make sure you do stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!